Hello. Today I'll be doing more maths and I'll be engaging with a very simple trivial maths problem. Find the fourth digit of 1001 to the 46. The reason I'm actually doing this question is because I want to make sure that I know that I can go into an interview and be confident about the very basics that may be asked about. And and I need to make sure that even though something is basic, I can actually speak about it and explain it well. The way to approach, or at least the way I would approach this question, is to think about 1001 separately. 1001 can be written into 1000 plus 1. And the reason this is a very important step to split it into 1000 plus 1 is because then I can rewrite this like this, 1000 plus 1 to the 46, and apply my binomial to this. And this is very powerful step because now I know that my I can write this out as a series, not a series, as a binomial series, and I'm gonna have 46 choose 0 to the 1000 to the 46, and the one is the one to any power is one, so I can literally just ignore it, and it's gonna look something like this. This is what 45, and this goes on until 46, 45, 1000 plus 46, 46, and we have 1000 to the 0, which is just 1. Okay, now the next step I think is very important is to rewrite 1000 into 10 to the 3. Um, and that's because it's going to help me realize where my digits are going to be. And also, the position that we are concerned with is the position of the fourth digit of my number. So I don't have to work out all the entire binomial series. That'll be tedious and incredibly hard. Or not hard, it's actually quite a trivial job, but it's quite a boring job and not what the question is absolutely asking. So we are concerned only with all the positions that contribute towards the fourth digit. And that is only the terms 46, 46, 1000 to the 0 plus 46, 45 times 1000 to the 1. Um, and we have 46, 44, 1000 to the 2, which is not going to contribute towards my fourth digit. And that's because, so if you have a times 10, I'm going to have 10a. For instance, a is actually no. The better way to explain this is if a is an integer between 1 and 9, a times 10 to the n, I know that in my nth digit is going to be a. So I'm going to exploit this fact to kind of um, make this work to find the fourth digit that I am looking for. So I know that 46, choose 46. There's only one way you can choose all 46 elements from 46 elements. That's just one. And 1000 to the 0 is just one. So we're left with one here. And then we have 46 factorial or 45 factorial times 1 factorial. That's kind of how that works. Times 10 to the 3, and we have already discussed that this is not going to be relevant to the problems. I can just write like this. So we have 1 plus, we have 46 here, times 10 to the 3, plus all which comes after. So we have 4, 6, plus 3 zeros, plus 1. It's better to write like this, plus all the rubbish that comes after. But we are just concerned about this part, which is 4,000, 46,000 and 1, and my fourth digit, if I can count correctly, is going to be 6. Therefore, my fourth digit is 6. That was a very cool, not too hard problem, which I thoroughly enjoy.